How to troubleshoot booking issues in DiDi application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how you can easily troubleshoot booking issues in DiDi. So if you're also facing such issue while booking and it might not be booking for you, so in that case, what you might want to do is just first thing you have to ensure that you have a stable internet connection. So make sure you have a stable internet connection, and if not, you can just change it to your different stable connection, and you just have to verify that your location services are enabled on your device and that the app is up to date. And if your app is not up to date, you can just head over to your Play Store or App Store and simply search in for DiDi application and just update the application from over here if there's any update available. And you can also try restarting your app or simply clearing your app's case, and reinstalling the app can solve temporary glitches if it's causing from the glitches. And if problem is still persists, you can just contact DiDi customer support through the app or by phone or by email address, just like that. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.